Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get stretched resolution on Fortnite PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, resolution depends on your computer. If you have a mid-tier or god-tier computer, basically if you have a really good one, then I suggest 1720 times 1080, 1650 1080, or 1440 1080 resolutions. This will get you better aim, visibility will be really good, and also it will boost your FPS. So that's that. If you have a low tier PC, then you should go with 768 times 480. or 1280 times 960 resolution. It will not get you the best visibility, but it will definitely boost your FPS. So first things first, you want to do is go ahead and press on Windows key and R on your PC. Then you will see this option, and you want to go ahead and write down local app data, just like I did this, and then click OK. Now this will open up your local app data, and you want to go ahead and find Fortnite game right there. Go ahead and open up, then you will see saved option, open it up, and then you want to choose config and Windows client. Then you will see here game user settings. First things you want to do is go ahead, click the right click and go to properties. And on properties, you have to see if read only is unchecked and leave it like so if it is unchecked. And then you want to go ahead and edit it. Once you will do that, you will see all of this information, and you want to scroll down around 90%. You will see a few sections. So this is one section you need to change, and this is another one you need to go ahead and change to your desired resolution. So now I'm gonna go ahead and change this resolution size to my desired one. I'm just gonna use this one, and let's make it 1080. Again, last user confirmed. You can also go ahead and change it. After you've done that, all of that should look like so, and you want to go ahead, turn it off and save it. Now after that, you want to go ahead again, go to properties and make sure that read only is checked, then click apply and then click OK. After that, you will need to go ahead to NVIDIA control panel. So go ahead here and write out NVIDIA control panel, open it up. After that, you will see here adjust desktop size and position. You want to go ahead and open this up. Scroll down, make sure you select your monitor, then go full screen, choose display from here, scroll down until you will see resolution. If you will not see your resolution here, you want to do a custom one. I'm just going to choose this one and click apply. Now your screen will be turned to the black screen, but don't worry, it will go back to normal after that. After this, you want to change your resolution to your current, and that's pretty much it. After you've changed it back to your normal resolution and click apply, and now you can go ahead and launch Fortnite. And now you will have your stretched resolution. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.